are some new apps for your Galaxy Watch that are worth checking out. First one is a paid one, but I like it a lot. Name of this app is MoonOn Wear. When you open the app, it shows moon phase. Then there is percentage of moon that's visible. Further, we have some more interesting information regarding moon that is updated every hour. And here is distance to moon that is from your actual location. If you scroll down, you can see it shows the date when new moon will be visible, and you can also use complications of this app on your watch face. For that, just long press on a watch face and tap on customize. Then you have to go all the way to complications section. Here find out moon complications and that's it. This app also has a beautiful looking tile that shows moon phase and the time at which it will start to rise. And if I tap on this tile, it takes me to the app with all the interesting information that we have discussed before. So check out this app on your Galaxy Watch. Next I have a calculator app that has some scientific options too. This is better than Samsung's default calculator app that has no such options. Name of this app is Multi Calculator. You can check it out from the link down in description. When you swipe to left, different scientific options can be used. And at the end we have history of our calculator app. Last app on this list gives some interesting information regarding atmosphere. So name of this app is Barometer Altimeter. Here is our atmospheric pressure that is updated in real time from sensors on watch. After that, this is altimeter that shows height from sea level in meters. Further, you can change different units and settings with this app. So check it out, its link is down in description. Also, I have shared links of different watch straps that I use in videos as you guys have been asking about them. And that was all about for today's episode. With that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Until then, bye bye.